Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I have for you a review on Beauty Big Bang's brand new Aurora series holographic 3D cat eye polish. Check them out. So this is a series of five different colors. Like I said, these are regular polishes and they are magnetic polishes. My first ever, yes, because all of my magnetic polishes that I currently have are gels. So I am looking forward to playing with these. And let me go ahead and I'm showing you how they come here packaged on this cute little boxes with the gold logo, the gold text right there, and they are labeled, so they come, here it is, beautiful packaging with the cutout heart. So they are 1 through 5. Here's how they're all labeled. So the number 1 is 1C, and that's how they continue on. I'm gonna go ahead and remove them from the boxes so you can see the cute bottles. I fell in love with the bottles as soon as I saw them, and then I'll tell you more about them. Okay, so here they all are out of their boxes, and like I said, these are 6 ml bottles. Now check them out. I just think they're so cute. Look at them, and let me show you. So let me grab Beauty Big Bang's magnet and see if you can see this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I just love playing with these. So neat. Oh, it kept it. And with the gold cap, so let me show you the brush and we'll take a close look at these. Wow, look at that beautiful formula. Oh, I love this color. So I still have them here in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna go ahead. So these are best applied over black, just like the gel magnetic polishes. So start out with your black base, whichever your black color, your favorite black color is. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch 4 of them on my nails. And yes, so if this is your first time seeing my blingy nail, I mentioned this on my previous video. I actually extended this nail using dip powder, and I have asked if you guys are interested in knowing how to extend a nail using dip powder, let me know and I'll be happy to do a separate video on that. So yeah, that's my blingy nail now. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch 4 of these on my nails, and I will do the last one on this wheel right here. These are now available on their website, guys, so go ahead and check them out. I'll have the link down in the description bar below. I also have a 10% discount code that will get you 10% off of any items on their website. It's NAQ57. I'll have that on the screen and down below as well. I'll go ahead and start with the swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy. guys, so here they are after they have dried up. I have not touched and see. Yes, they are dry to touch. Okay, so this is by the time this is, so which way did I go? I went 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And as you can see, so of course with these being regular polishes, they take it is a slower drying time, right? Nonetheless, for being regular polishes, they do dry pretty fast to touch, okay? Because by the time I went to the other one, and so what's happening as they are drying, they are somewhat losing that very defined magnetic line or magnetic effect that you see at first attempt when, you know, from removing that magnet while the polish is still wet. You know what I mean? Now this is what I did, and that's because I was moving rather quickly from one nail to the other on doing the swatches. But take a look at my thumb, and yeah, I touched it right there. Darn it, ignore that. But when I did my thumb, so as it was drying, I went ahead and kept the magnet on it a little longer while it was drying, okay? And so the effect of the magnet is rather quick, but as it's drying, this was helping it keep it more in place. See the difference? So yeah, I will say when playing with these, do one nail at a time. Don't be so quick at moving on to the next one, and wait at least half a minute there while that polish is drying and keeping that magnet in place, so you can keep that effect, that defined effect. See that? I mean, big difference, right? And I tried doing it here on the tip as well. So number 5 seems to be the holographic one. It has those holographic particles after you do the magnet on it. Check it out, so gorgeous. Now something, I want to attempt a second coat. This was just a one coat over the black and then the magnet. Let me try it again and see what happens. And I'm going to try to take my time more on with the magnet over while it's drying and see if I can get it to look more like my thumb. Okay, so taking a closer look, take a look at my index finger there. So I move it against the light. Not so bad, huh? But I think the least obvious one is my middle finger. That's the one I'm going to attempt a second coat. I am loving the color shifting on these. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so let's try here a second coat on my middle finger. This is number 2. Oh, I think I touched it. Okay, so yeah, I think the best effect was for the first coat. One coat. Let me go ahead and zoom out. Okay, yes, so I think that will do best with that single coat, and then just take your time leaving your magnet there while it's drying if you want that very well defined effect of the magnet. I'm gonna go ahead and apply top coat over these, and I'll meet you right back. So here they are all finished with my just a clear top coat. Check them out. I think they are fantastic. Like I said, I am loving that shift in the color. Can you see that? On all of them. And yeah, so this one's number 5, has that those holographic glitters that you can see. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. And here is the thumb. But now I know how to work best with them, because like I said, this is my first time with regular magnetic polishes. See on my index and my ring, I did better on those and on my thumb because I was letting it dry as I was holding the magnet. Absolutely gorgeous. So go check them out, guys. If you have any questions about these, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Like I said, I'll have the links down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these gorgeous polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.